Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super important topic that can make or break your financial future. The top 5 financial mistakes young adults make. Look, I get it, you're young, you're just starting out, and you want to enjoy your hard-earned cash. But trust me, avoiding these mistakes now can save you a ton of stress and financial headaches down the road. We're talking about setting yourself up for success, building a solid financial foundation, and achieving true financial freedom. All starting today. First up, and arguably the most common mistake, is not having a budget. Many people think that budgeting is only for those who are struggling financially or for those who are extremely frugal. But the truth is, budgeting is essential for everyone, regardless of their financial situation. It's the foundation of good financial health. I know, budgeting sounds about as fun as a root canal. The word itself can make people cringe because it often brings to mind images of cutting out all the fun stuff and living a life of deprivation. But that's a huge misconception. But think of it this way. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about understanding where your money is going and making it work for you. It's about making informed decisions and being intentional with your spending. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can make adjustments that align with your priorities and values. It's like having a financial roadmap, guiding you towards your goals. Imagine trying to drive to a new destination without a map or GPS. You'd likely get lost, take wrong turns, and waste a lot of time and gas. A budget is your financial GPS, helping you navigate your way to your financial goals efficiently and effectively. Without a budget, it's way too easy to overspend without even realizing it. You might think you're doing fine, but then you check your bank account and wonder where all your money went. It's those little expenses that can sneak up on you and derail your financial plans. Those daily coffees, takeout meals, and impulse buys can really add up. It might not seem like much at the time, but over weeks and months, these small expenditures can accumulate into a significant amount. By being aware of these habits, you can make more conscious choices about where to spend and where to save. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and start putting that money towards your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having a clear picture of your finances allows you to allocate your resources more effectively. Trust me, having a budget gives you control over your finances and puts you in the driver's seat of your financial future. It's empowering to know that you have a plan and that you're making progress towards your goals. So take the time to create a budget and stick to it. Your future self will thank you. Next up is a mistake that can have serious long-term consequences. Accumulating credit card debt. It's a common issue that many people face, especially young adults who are just starting to navigate their financial independence. The allure of credit cards is undeniable. They offer a sense of freedom and purchasing power that can be very tempting. Credit cards can be useful tools for building credit and earning rewards, but only if used responsibly. They can help you establish a credit history, which is crucial for future financial endeavors like buying a house or a car. Additionally, many credit cards offer rewards such as cashback, travel points, and other perks that can be quite beneficial. The problem is, it's way too easy to fall into the trap of overspending and racking up high-interest debt. With the convenience of swiping a card or entering a number online, you might not even realize how quickly your balance is growing. Before you know it, you're faced with a bill that you can't pay off in full. And that's where the trouble begins. Those minimum payments might seem tempting now, but they'll keep you trapped in a cycle of debt for years to come. Paying only the minimum means that you're mostly covering the interest, with very little going towards the principal balance. This can lead to a situation where you're paying off the same debt for decades, all while accumulating more interest. Instead of letting credit card debt control your life, focus on paying your balance in full every month. This not only helps you avoid interest charges, but also keeps your credit utilization low, which is beneficial for your credit score. If you can't pay the full balance, aim to pay as much as possible to reduce the amount of interest you'll accrue. If you're already struggling with credit card debt, create a plan to pay it down as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest cards first. This strategy, known as the avalanche method, helps you save money on interest in the long run. Alternatively, you can use the snowball method, which focuses on paying off the smallest balances first to build momentum and motivation. Your future self will thank you. By taking control of your credit card debt now, you're setting yourself up for a more secure and stress-free financial future. Remember, the key is to use credit cards as a tool, not a crutch. With careful planning and disciplined spending, you can enjoy the benefits of credit cards without falling into the debt trap. 3. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. From unexpected medical emergencies to sudden car repairs, these surprises can often come with a hefty price tag. It's during these times that having a financial safety net becomes not just important, but essential. That's why it's crucial to have an emergency fund. This fund acts as a buffer, giving you the financial flexibility to handle unforeseen expenses without derailing your long-term financial goals. Think of it as a financial cushion that softens the blow of life's unexpected events. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, there to protect you from unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or even job loss. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that you have a dedicated fund to cover these emergencies, allowing you to focus on resolving the issue at hand rather than worrying about how to pay for it. Medical bills can be particularly daunting, often arriving when you least expect them. Similarly, car repairs can be both urgent and expensive, and losing your job can put you in a financially vulnerable position. An emergency fund helps you navigate these challenges with greater ease and less stress. Without an emergency fund, you might be forced to rely on credit cards or loans, putting yourself in a precarious financial position. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control, making it even harder to recover financially. By having an emergency fund, you can avoid this trap and maintain your financial stability. Aim to save up 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This might seem like a daunting task, but it's achievable with consistent effort and discipline. Start by setting small, manageable savings goals and gradually increase them as you become more comfortable with your budgeting. Start small if you have to. Even $50 a month adds up over time. The key is to make saving a habit. Use tools like automatic transfers to move money into your emergency fund regularly. Over time, these small contributions will grow, providing you with a substantial safety net. Having that peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way, is invaluable. Not only does it reduce stress, but it also allows you to make better financial decisions without the pressure of immediate financial strain. In the end, an emergency fund is more than just money in the bank. It's a cornerstone of financial security and well-being. 4. I know what you're thinking. Retirement? I'm just trying to figure out what to do with my life, let alone worry about retirement. But here's the thing. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the better off you'll be. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, even small contributions made early on can grow significantly over time. It's like a snowball effect. The longer you let it roll, the bigger it gets. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s, especially if they offer employer matching contributions. That's free money. The sooner you start investing in your future, the more time your money has to grow. And 5. As you start earning more money, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle accordingly. But beware of lifestyle inflation, the sneaky enemy of financial progress. Lifestyle inflation is when your expenses increase at the same rate or even faster than your income. You get a raise, you buy a nicer car, you move into a bigger apartment, and suddenly you're back to square one. Instead of letting your lifestyle dictate your spending, focus on living within your means and saving a significant portion of your income. Remember, true wealth isn't about what you own, it's about your financial security and freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next one.